So this is a video about making folders on your Classlink dashboard to make it a little easier to work with day to day. You can right click or take two fingers and click and choose add folder, and that's one way to make a folder. You can also take an icon, and I'll take this Pearson icon and combine it with another. And the way I do that is to click and drag them on top of each other, and it puts them in a folder. So now I'm going to call this testing, and now this X, and I think I can also put this NWEA in there. When it gets a little smaller, you can see that it will fit right into the folder. If I make a folder by right-clicking and choosing Add Folder, I can change the color of the folder and then just click Create. I don't know why that went back to blue, but if I decide I don't want the folder anymore, I can right-click on it or two-finger click on it and choose Remove Folder, and it will just go away. You can also rearrange, like I got used to these being alphabetical, so now I want this one common lit next to code.org. So I'll just click and drag it up there, kind of like when you have apps on an iPhone, and that can rearrange them. You can click these around as much as you want. You can make other folders to put things together if they're the same category. It's all up to you. This pencil up here, edit mode, when you click that, you also get the add folder there. And you get things like theme, app size, font style, palette, and wallpaper that were also under this area in the top right corner. So both the same there. If I click it again, it'll go away. And that's that for rearranging your desktop and making folders.